Hello, welcome back everyone. This is the third part of our open learning tutorial and I hope you are enjoying your lockdown. So let's finish this everyone. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay, just now we already covered, in the first part we covered what are the purpose of open learning and we already covered what are the important parts of the open learning platform, namely the landing page, home page, module sets, modules and pages. And and then we move on to our second part of the video. We have how to create landing page, how to create home page, and how to create module set and modules, and how to make sure that your modules sets and your modules will appear when the students access your open learning platform. Okay, so now we will specifically go on to how to create a new page. Okay, so in this page, it will be more specific because the purpose of a page is that number one, you can put your content. Number two, you can put your activity to the students, and there is no limit on what you can try with the students. Okay, so and after this final part of this tutorial is that which is in this third part also, we will I will tell you on how to invite the students to join the open learning platform. All right, so let's start. Okay, so remember just now we came to course setup and then we go to content, and then this is what will appear in the page when we come to course setup and content. Okay, we can see all our module sets up here and all our modules here. Okay, module 1, module 2, and module 3, and what are the pages under each and every modules that we created. Okay, say for example here you have one module and 3 pages and you want to create a new page. Okay, of course, before you create a new page, you will not see all these completed pages. You will only see this empty page. Okay, so let's create a new page. Okay, so a new page, for example, let me create a new page. We call it Basil Handsome. Okay, so this Basil Handsome page, this new page, you click here, and of course, this Basil Handsome will appear here. Okay, so now you will have edit page and view page. In order to edit your page, you need to click on edit page, and when you click there, you will see this wizard. Okay, so here this new page Basil Handsome, number one, you see here up here. Okay, up here is the name of your page and here is the icon of your page. You see, it is very important because when you look at your page here, okay, when the students look at your page, uh, you see every page, this is one module, Islam sebagai cara hidup, and you can see these 3 pages, every page got icon, okay, every page got pictures. So this picture, you will need to search for your own picture and you will need to put your own picture and set them up. Okay, so how to put your own picture here in this part, when you are creating your page, do not forget the icon up here. Okay, so how to change the icon? You just click here. Okay, just click here and it will bring you to your computer's files, and you can browse your computer to search for the suitable image for your page. Okay, so image is important because, well, of course, not only for politicians, but only for you, but also for you, because well, a beautiful module will be attractive to students, and students will, I don't know, will be attracted to join your modules. Okay, so okay, now you see this is one widget. Okay, so in this one widget, you can type everything you want. Okay, say for example, you want to, oh, sorry. Say for example, in this page, Basil Handsome, you want to create uh, a new information. You want to put new information for students. For example, you want to put a PDF file or you know, PowerPoint slides for students' consumption. Okay, you can look at the widget content over here at your left hand side. You see this file. You just drag it down here. Okay, you just drag it down here, and then ta-da, okay, and then you will see something like this. Okay, if you don't want to have this original widget that they give you, the empty one, you can always go to the top right corner over here and click delete widget. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, Just now, I just drag a new widget because I want the students to download a file. I want to put one reading in PDF over here. Okay, so how do I upload? Just go to setup, and then here you see click here or drag files here to upload. Okay, I click here. Click here, you can browse in your computer. For example, I want Islamic studies file. Okay, so I will go to my own computer, Islamic studies, mana tah banyaknya. Okay, Islamic studies and then nota. Okay, say yeah here. Okay, I want them to read this. Okay, then open. I'm uploading it. Okay, upload complete, processing your file. It may take a few minutes. Okay, after you have uploaded your file or do any changes in your widget, do not forget to go to your bottom right part and click done. Okay, after you have clicked done, you can see the file that you have uploaded just now here in the form of files tag. Okay, students can read them here. Students can also download them when they see. Okay, here, this is one of the reading that I want them to read for Islamic studies, a short story by Ahmad Tohari. The title is Mas Mantri Menjenguk Tuhan. Okay, this is how you upload something. Okay, in your open learning platform. Next, say for example, you want to put a video. Okay, you just click a video here, drag here, and then after you drag, you will see a new widget over here. And this new widget, you click at setup. Okay, here, if you want to put a heading for the video, go ahead, put your heading. And you have two choice of uploading a video. You can upload a file. You can also put a URL from YouTube, from Vimeo, Dailymotion, so on and so forth. Okay, so this is how you put a video. After completing, after you complete putting a video here, okay, do not forget to click done. Okay, if you put a video here, how will it look like? When the students go into the page, they will see a big icon of your video over here. They can click on that icon and they can watch your video directly here. They don't need to go to YouTube on a separate page. Okay, so okay, because I don't want this widget, so I delete it for now. Okay, next, ladies and gentlemen, say for example, you want the students to post image, okay? Of course, you take this widget, drag it here, put your own title, put your own instruction, and then the students can post image, okay? Okay, now that is how you put a content and how you want response from the students in the page that you created, okay? Next, if you want to create a quiz for students, you can go to quiz and you can see different widgets over here. Okay, say for example, you have put maybe 3 different contents and you want the students to read all of them, but you want them to understand what are the contents that you have given them. Okay, so you can have different selections from this quiz. Say for example, you want to create an MCQ, so you just drag multiple choice here, and then in this multiple choice, you can set them up. Okay, you can go to setup. Okay, this will take some time. Okay, see, this is question text. Okay, question number 1. Okay, so here allow students to select only one answer, maybe multiple answers. You can decide on your own. Okay, here answer 1, answer 2. You can also add until until 5 answers that you want to give multiple choice question to the students. Okay, so this is the message displayed if the students answered correctly. This is if the students answered incorrectly. Okay, so if you want to give hints to students, you can also put here the hint that you want to give. Okay, finally, if you have already completed your one MCQ question, you need to click done so that it will save in your page. Okay, if you don't click done, it will be lost. Okay, so now, this widget, you can only create one MCQ question. If you want to create more, you need to drag another MCQ widget and then drag another MCQ widget. Okay, since I don't want this widget, then I'll delete again. Okay, so say for example, you want to give another quiz, maybe match. Okay, match it. Okay, you drag it here, and when you drag it here, you go to setup. Okay, okay, let's wait. Okay, so here, you want the students to drag correct answer to the correct stimulus that you give. Okay, maybe here cat meow, dog, woof, cow, moo. Okay, it's a very good question actually. I love this. Okay, so you can create your own. You can add more answer and more stimulus, and then you can decide which one is the correct one and which one is the wrong one. Okay. These all are up to your creativity on how you create them. Okay. So don't forget to click done when you are done with editing your own question. Can you add more? Yes, you can add more. You see down here, add answer and add answer. Okay, so use your own creativity. You can do how much you want, and you in order to confuse the students. Okay. Other than that, you can explore for yourself. Actually, there are so many types of quizzes that are for you to select at the left hand side. Okay, so it's only about how you optimize your choices that are given here. Okay, say for example you want to create a crossword for the students. You can also drag here. Okay, and then you can set up. Crosswords are very interesting. uh Here for example, how do you create a crossword? Put a title first, of course, and then down here, okay, you can put your words. What are the correct words that you are expecting the students to write in the crossword puzzles? Okay, and these are the clues. Okay, set up your own clues. Okay, for example, you put here a word, maybe Basil, and the clue is someone who is very handsome. Okay, so that so your crossword will be created based on how you put your words and clues over here. And then don't forget to click on generate crossword, and it will generate based on what you have decided to put on in the words and clues up there. Okay. And finally, please do not forget to click on done. Okay. Click done, and then it will save as per what you have edited just now. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that is how you create content, number one, and you create activities for students in your open learning page. Okay, we have created module set, and under module set, we have created modules, and under modules, we can create many pages. Okay, this is just one page, remember. Okay, so if you look at my Islamic studies modules here, okay, one chapter, this is the first chapter, Islam sebagai cara hidup. Okay, so I decided that this one chapter, I want to break them up into three. Okay, so I break them into subchapter 1, subchapter 2, and then subchapter 3. Okay, so how do you break down your chapters? That will depend on your own creativity, and please do as you wish. Okay, you have total freedom over here as long as your students enjoy them. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's look at how. Okay, after you have created your content in your page, and after you have created your activity for the students to do in your page, go down and do not forget to click on save and close. Okay, when you click on save and close, uh, whatever that you have done, all the widgets that you have done in your page, all of them will be saved here. Okay, so this is the page that we have just created just now. Okay, what if you have already created your page, you have already published them to the students, but you still want to edit them? Okay, there are two possibilities. Okay, there are two ways on how to edit your existing page. Okay, I don't want this page that we created just now, so let's remove this. Okay, before the students see it. Okay, so um how to edit the existing page? Number one, go to your left hand side, go to course setup, and go again to content, and you see your page again. Okay, you can see your page again in this form. You can still click here, edit page. So this is my existing page for Agama dan Akal just now. Okay, I can see everything that I have done in the page. Okay, so if I want to edit anything, I can just edit it here. Okay, so after I have edited everything, click save and close. Okay, so I click save and close. Okay, that's the first way on how you edit an existing page. The second way is, for example, okay, if you say for example you go to your page, okay, you can go to your page from your module sets. Click your module sets, and then you will see all your modules and your page. Click on your page, Agama dan Akal, and then you can see this is the page. Okay, so when you are on the page, you can also look here, view and edit. Okay, up here we'll see view and edit, and then if you click on edit, you can still edit your page. Okay, so these are the two ways on how you edit your already existing page. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have completed the part on how to create your own page, how to put your own content, and how to put the students' activities. Okay, so it depends on your creativity on how you want to assess the students. Okay, say for example, you want the students to write a 300 words essay and submit it. Okay, so every student that submit in the open learning platform, you give them participation mark. So all participation by the students will be recorded properly in the open learning platform. So you don't worry about that, as long as you have a proper way of assessing your students. This open learning platform can help in documentation. Okay, so that is the end of our creating page part on how you put content, on how you create activity. This is the very last part of our tutorial. How do you make your platform accessible to the students? Okay, so the students cannot see your platform after you created them. Okay, what you need to do is you need to make it public. And when you make it public, you need to give the link of the course to your student. Okay, again, there are two ways on how you could invite your students to join your course. Okay, uh, okay, please do this after you have completed your open learning platform, because if you have not completed it, it will be embarrassing, because students will see your open learning platform like the ruins of probably a Mesopotamian castle. I don't know. Okay, so now let's go to your page again. Okay, look at your left hand side here, all the module sets and blah blah blah. Okay, go again to your course setup. Okay, in your course setup, there is something called general. Okay, just click at the general part, click in the general, and then you will be redirected to here. Okay, you can see here this page. Okay, so this page, the first part is course status. Okay, my cursor over here, course status. Originally, your course is offline. If you click here, it will become online. What does it mean? If your course is online, anybody that has the link to your course can see it. Okay, everybody in the universe can see it as long as they have the link. Okay, so and then you will see this link. Okay, we will just need to copy paste this link and send this to your student. Your student can join your course through this link. Okay, and then course name, Islamic studies, of course. Course promotion, this is course thumbnail. Okay, what is the difference between course thumbnail and your landing page lah, whatever the hell that we have discussed before? The difference is this course thumbnail, if everyone search for your course, okay, they will see the thumbnail, this image in the in the link of your course. Okay, for example, if you go to our college page, how to go to our college page, you just go here, up here, and then you go down here, you just click at Ramsay College. Okay, so in that Ramsay College, you can see some courses that are already existing. Okay, so this link, okay, will have thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail that you can decide for your course when people start to discover the link to your course. Okay, so now, so let's go down here. Okay, these are basically, you know, things that I think we should not bother. We just let it be. Okay, so that is the first way of how you can invite your students to access your course. Okay, the second way is, okay, this second way, I don't know whether everybody can do it because I am the administrator. So, so I can do this, but I hope all of you can do this. If you cannot do this, please do the first way. The second way is, you go here, you go to the institution settings, okay? Institution settings, and then you can see this. Okay, so institution name, go down here, blah, 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 and you will see the left-hand part menu. Okay, the menu on the left-hand side there is something called invite people. You know how I invited your emails? I did this. Okay. So in this empty part, you can just list down the all your students emails. Okay. For example, a@gmail.com. If you have many students, you don't do this repeatedly. You can just do this one time for many students. Okay. After you have typed one email address, you can just enter down. Okay. And then enter b@gmail.com. Okay, and then c@gmail.com ad infinitum. Okay, so you do this for all your students, and then you go down here, role set to students, do not set to staff. Okay, I invited you into open learning, I set you to staff. But when you want to invite students, set them to student. Okay, and then down here, I personally prefer number one to tick email every person above so that everyone will get email invitation email as what you get in your email, and then down here automatically create an account. Okay, because well, it is easier if the students already have the account, they already be given the password. There is no, I mean, there will be less complaint from the students that, oh, it is difficult to create account lah, blah blah blah. So to minimize all this risk and all this fuss, you can tick here, automatically create an account, and then click here, invite all users. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that is how we create our page, and in our page, how we do our content and how we put activity for students. Remember, all these activities will be recorded, and all the students, when they participated, all their names will appear, and that is the best part of open learning. And then finally, how how are the two ways uh, on how you can invite the students to access your platform. Okay, so that is the end of our tutorial. This is the last part. Enjoy your lockdown. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me personally. You can also WhatsApp in the leaders group. So thank you everyone. Enjoy and have a nice day. Thank you.